Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to take you step by step on how to record a video slide presentation using Canvas Studio. This is very similar to when you recorded yourself on video. Now you're going to have the added element of recording yourself with a slide presentation. So very similar to what you did with your individual videos. You go to your assignment module, you click the assignment where you have to upload your video, and you'll come to this page. You'll see Studio icon. You click on the Studio icon, and then you have the little Create button on the right. When you did your individual video, you clicked Studio Capture. Now you're clicking Screencast-O-Matic, and all that means is that you're going to record everything that's on your screen, including your own video too. You have some choices and I'll walk you through those. Now some of you may be asked to download some software or you get an error message. Be sure to contact Help Desk if you have any questions. The software is fine because it's Canvas Studio software, so it's safe to download. But if you have any other errors, contact the Help Desk, and the link to the Help Desk page is on your assignment section. All right, so once you create Screencast-O-Matic, you're going to have two boxes. You're going to have a record box on the bottom left and a webcam box on the top right. Now my video isn't showing on the webcam on the top right because I'm using different software to do this tutorial. The other thing you'll see is this white and black dotted line. Everything inside this dotted line will be recorded. So I'm just going to expand it, and you can shorten it and expand it as much as you want to capture everything you want to capture. You have three options on the bottom box. Click Screen and it'll just record what's on your screen. It will not record your video. If you click Webcam, it'll just record your video and not the screen. So make sure you have both chosen. Choose your microphone. Make sure your microphone finds the right microphone. I'm using a condenser mic, so that's correct. And your computer audio, make sure it's on so that when you listen to your recording of the video, you'll be able to hear your sound and see if you're loud enough, if you're too loud, if you're too soft, and you can re-record it. Okay? Once that's done, you're good. Check your webcam. I have the webcam that's on my laptop. That's what's recording me. You may also have monitors and other webcams, so make sure you choose the right webcam for yourself. You just click the down. It'll tell you which webcam you're choosing here, and you'll be okay. When you're ready for that, you click Record, and you'll get a quick countdown, and then once it says Go, everything on your screen is being recorded. So your PowerPoint presentation should be ready. So you go down here, choose your PowerPoint presentation, and on the bottom right, I usually choose Slideshow to show my entire slide. Now everything I say and everything that's on my screen is being recorded. So as I go through my slides, I will be narrating, and then when I'm done, on the bottom left here, I click Pause. Now, you may have caught yourself making mistakes. You're stuttering over your words. What you can do is you just click this delete button and you can start over. And again, you'll have your settings here. They should not have changed. They'll be the same. And you can tell if your mic's working because of this, the green bars that are exposed here as the volume of your voice goes up. So you click Record again, you'll get a countdown, and you start from scratch. If that's the case, make sure you go back to the beginning slide. And then as you go through your slides, when you're done, you just click Pause. And if you think this worked, click Done, and you'll have some options. You'll be able to listen to your presentation again. If that's the case, make sure you go back to the beginning slide. And then as you go through your slides, when you're done, you just click Pause. So if you're happy with what you just saw and heard, put a title, You can add a short description, and you click Upload. Now, depending on how long the video is, depends how long it takes to upload. If it's a 5-minute video, 10-minute video, it may take a few minutes. This was a very short one, so it uploaded very quickly. I'm going to get out of my PowerPoint. Now it's processing right here, so it'll take a little while to process. This is a previous video that I had. Now, the previous video was 1 minute and 6 seconds. I'm not sure how long this video is. We'll take a look in a second. When you're happy with one or the other videos, because you may have had several attempts, make sure you're choosing the right video to submit the assignment. Now, as this is downloading and you realize you missed something or you just want to re-record it again, you can hit Cancel Attempt 2 down here and just start again from the beginning. You'll hit Studio, Create, Screencast-O-Matic, and you'll start from scratch. So if you want to listen to this video, we'll click play. If that's the case, make sure you go back to the beginning slide. And then as you go through your slides. Okay, and if you're happy with that, you go down here to the bottom, you click Embed Media. And you can listen to it again. If that's the case, make sure you go back to the... This is what your professor will see. If you're happy with this, you click Submit Assignment. You'll get the little confetti, and that means it's on its way to being sent to the professor. You have another opportunity to listen to it. This is what the actual... Go back to the beginning slide. This is what the actual upload will look like. If you're not happy with that, you can click New Attempt, Studio, Create, Screencast-O-Matic, and go through it again. Once you have a bunch of videos on here, because you made several attempts, make sure you choose the right one that you want to submit the assignment to, because that's the only one the professor is going to see. We won't see these other ones. Now, on this module, I gave myself unlimited attempts. Your professor may give you unlimited attempts or a limited amount of attempts, so you have to be careful how many times you can re-record and resubmit your video assignment. But that's it. Once you do that, you're good. You click to submit assignment, you're good, and that's what will show up. So hopefully this is helpful when creating a video slide presentation.